Foreigners, African foreigners, are the worst thing to ever happen to South Africa. These guys, they've destroyed this beautiful country. All African foreigners, Nabuma Pakistani, India, and other European countries who came here with bad intentions. But African foreigners, they bring no value. Abo Zimbabwe, Congo, Mozambique, crime and taking advantage of our country. And I'm definitely sure that if we were created by God, man was made out of clay somewhere in the garden. The devil must have looked and copied, took the IP and thought it was going to be a good idea to reproduce himself, if the devil is a he, reproduce himself in the form of Nigerians. Because there is no way a people bangangcola so babe evil Nigerian. There is no way. I can hear about woke Pan-Africanists, you are all Africans. Nigerians, it doesn't exist, this thing about you are all Africans, Pan-Africanism, we are all working, for the good, of all Africans. No. They even sell their own sisters, go France, for prostitution. Check my documentaries. I was sent here by my family to work as a prostitute. They sell their own sisters. And I don't know what is it that South African women see in these guys, because they're not even cute. But Shanga flat and over. Yes, there are exceptions. But ngoba ye ko Congolese. That's why thina majita sekazi. Once umntwana washawa ilezi. Hayi baba, game over. Once washawa ilezi. Hayi mfethu, I mean abafethu hayi. Yabona mangathi ngiyathrowa umuntu bese bayangitshela ukuthi bekashawa eCongolese, Tanzania, Mozambique, Zimbabwe, especially lezi amashona. Nigeria, Gabon. There was one lady, 2002, I was a lead in one production. It was a Nigerian drink, Golden Spark for Nigeria. I did lots of Pan-Africa for my cell phone, did lots of work for Argentina, India. And there was this beautiful African woman, curvaceous, beautiful. She fancied me. But once she said, my ex is from Cameroon, I lost it. I bloody lost it. No matter how beautiful you are, once you can tell me, your ex is from Congo, Tanzania, I no longer rate you. Once you can tell me, it's better for me not to know. But once you can tell me with my ex, my country, yabona lawa esihlobane nawo. Bashanga language wethu, Swaziland, Lesotho, Botswana, lapho simnandi, because we are family. Swaziland, Lesotho, and Botswana. And thanks God, neighbors, Botswana, they are so peaceful. They don't give us, nonsense. Unlike the Zimbabweans, guys who never helped us during apartheid. They are here. They've got a big mouth. And Satan must have thought the idea of creating Nigerians and deputized them and said, Zimbabweans, Mashona, are going to be their deputies. Because, banomlomo. And in their own countries, in fact, amabraki, bathulile. We are all Africans. There is no foreigner in Africa. But in their own countries, they will chuck you out, in fact. African nonsense this. And I hear some South Africans, Africa free trade. You don't have a business, dog. It ain't gonna benefit you, this Africa free trade. It benefits them because it is us who plant our companies that side. Abo Mutsipe, Abo Ramaphosa. We are doing about trade. About Germany. We did trade about Taiwan. Back in the days, did you see the Taiwanese here? We're doing trade. About England. About Scotland. They used to bring about Ducks of London. We exchange, goods and services. Not we gave value, they gave us value, and they came with their companies here. About Zimbabwe, what company they bringing here? Cigarette smuggling, petrol, yomshakani. Bafethu. I'm sure somewhere, uNkulunkulu, makenza umuntu, wacabanga ama-Nigerian, wathi, in order to rival God, I'm going to place Nigerians on earth so that, they can fight mankind. Because hey, these guys are evil. You check nama pastors wakhona, body mutilations. They've been fighting from day one. It's about we help you during apartheid. When, dog? Because you're fighting your Biafra wars from civil war. Go Burkina Faso, go Somalia. They've been fighting these guys. The only thing is to vote in the United Nations. That's it. And we've done more for them. Shown them how to build institutions, bankings. Go Mozambique. I'm sure somewhere God, Satan wins Nigerians. And most of these guys, they're from the villages. Abayazi no toilet paper. Basula ngamatshe mangabe bayasula at all. And then South African influencers, they will tell you, these guys are bangcwele so. And South African influencers and ladies, they lift the standard so high when it comes to South African men. And ngapha, they're dating guys who are hobos in their own countries. In their own countries. Babashiye, nabantwana abaningi. Check all these South African personalities. Check umntwana ofana no Umagene. Ubani umntwana lo kaBlondi. Mfethu, guys Zimbabwean, abantwana abayi 4, 5, or 10, I don't know which number. Abo Penny Liban, I think no Penny. Let me use allegedly. Allegedly. Most of them, bashawa yizo lepa. Abo Pel, Bobonang, Bobabalwa, and maba nga data out yasekasi. Yes. Bazoyitshela lokhu nalokhu ya. Hayi but bafethu. Nigerians, ayivile ama-Nigerians mina ngiyiboni bafethu. 200 million population yabo, if not more. More than half living beyond poverty line. They are all over the world, proliferating, messing up. Zingcono lezi zaseGhana. My foreigners here in South Africa, they are replacing us in record time. They are mixing up our DNA. You won't have abantu abafana nabo IXO abahle in the near future. Thula uthi sangikhalela ingaka mfethu. Ucherry, incosi yakhona, ayinafika, ayinakhev. Njengalabo baseZimbabwe bomashona. Umntana khona noma nepotrisi, ipotrisi it's either is too low or it's too, high. Namakhev, makanamakev akanayibuni, makanayibuni akanamakev. Noma tune breast, ebasinyane encane ngathi itswitswi. Ebuswena ngisakhulumi mfethu. I've never seen a beautiful, pure, 100% Shona woman, unless she's mixed with other tribes or nationalities. Pure. South African mfethu is the crown, because la we are not one-dimensional. Tina, we are mixed. Even one tribe can be so mixed. Thola umZulu wase-KZN akafani nomZulu wase-Jozi. UmTswana wase-Northwest akafani nalazo. We are mixed. Nama-Indians are like us. A mix. Khalata mix. Ingamla zangayikasi zinama-calves. Shang a bottle of Coca-Cola. They're not the same. Unlike in other countries. Mauritania, bafana. Morocco, bafana. If you see one beauty, they all look like that. Ethiopia got more beautiful people in huge numbers, but they all look the same. Go Rwanda. They've got similar features, unlike here. They're coming here. I mean, Zimbabwe bafethu eZimbabwe ngeke ngishine ngawo bafethu. Shama Shona. Umntana ngathi uCaster Semenya. Hayi mfethu never. Umntana ngathi uCaster Semenya. Wena ungamshaya uPortia Modise. Futhi uPortia Modise muhle. Portia Modise muhle. Caster Semenya baba. I never bafethu. Yeah, I think uPortia ngam-oil amangabe ku-blind yabo ukuthi bengifahlakile khona ngiphuma yabo. Yeah, yena vele unebody. Hayi, Caster ngeke mfethu inkawu zangeke ivuke. Hayi bafethu. Mara ama-Nigerians worldwide. Nonsense yabantu, nonsense. Emarabini abafethu. Uzophatha akafuna ama-Nigerians, but ufana nawo. Akhona ama-Nigerians aso bafethu. Hayi noma bathu ignorant. ama-Nigerians aso amahle so.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. Nangibhoda usend message to ma-foreigners. Uyasho nje ukuthi kahle kahle ma-foreigners asebentela sathane. Nalesikhana create-wa nje, create-wa ngisathane kahle kahle aba-create-ela ukuthi bato-destroy South Africa. Ukuthi ma-foreigners, they are really destroying i-South Africa, especially ma-Nigeria. Uthi nje nakade nokuthi boseswethu la South Africa basuke babangene ngani abantu bokuhamba mase ba-date nabo because they are not even handsome labantu. Uthi netinhloko leti-flats ngalamuva nje babi labantu kungani boseswethu bagijimisa labantu bokuqhamuka because labantu laba they are here to destroy South Africa. They are working for the devil kahle kahle. So it's not the first time sembona lo bhuti in the video. Most of the time yakhuluma ngama-foreigners akhombise laka like towards ama-foreigners akhombise kokuthi akabathanzi kahle kahle nangokuthi they are destroying South Africa and abantu abaningi bahlezi bavumelana naye bathi inkosi yami abahambe. Hey akungani kuma-foreigners uthola lapha kuma-comment section ba-comment ukuthi njena thina siyindzawo, we are not going anywhere. Bathi nje bona la South Africa they are actually here to stay. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.